Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. I am Hadidi Makeover. So if you're joining us here for the very first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So for today, I'm going to be reviewing a Nigerian made product, Lee Asian White Makeup. That's the name of the brand. It was sent to me as a PR. So I was like, since you already know my routine, my makeup routine, and I got burnt out, and I was like, let me start reviewing the product I receive as PR here on my YouTube channel. When you guys are buying the product, it will be easier for you. You know how to use it and all of that.
You, how can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Hard to grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do better.
So first of all, after the skin prep, I don't joke with hydration because hydration is key. When your skin is hydrated, everything just sits perfectly in and your makeup lasts longer when you have hydrated skin. So starting off, I'll be applying the Lee Asian foundation in the shade olive and caramel. It's because her skin is too cool. Caramel shade is a warm shade and the shade olive, so that I will get that warmth for her skin. And I don't think they sent me her exact shade. So the foundation is a mattifying foundation and the finishing is smooth and the skin texture is still visible, like it's lightweight and all of that. So when you're looking for a foundation that has this smooth finishing, that doesn't cake, and that is not very thick, you can just go for this foundation. And yeah, that's it.
Like you do, I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You're just too important. Nobody like you do. You do.
So moving on to the concealer, I'm about to highlight using the Lee Asian concealer in the shade LO's 27. It's lightweight also, as I've said with the foundation. It's very mattifying. When you apply, just wait a little bit for it to set. Allow it to sit for a little bit, then you just blend. And blending this concealer, you have to look for a shade that is one shade lighter than the person's skin tone, then you just apply. So this is the shade they sent to me. It's a little bit lighter than her skin tone, but it matches and everything worked out fine.
Oh, whichever one is in the house, oh damn yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too.
The setting powder, I'm using the shade banana for the setting and also for the baking. You know, normally when you apply your concealer, you want to allow the concealer to dry up a little bit, then you go into set, and then after setting you can bake. So I waited for a little bit just for the foundation to the concealer, sorry, to sit under her eyes before I do the setting. And yeah, the Lee Asian powder comes in different shades. Of course, the setting powder comes in different shades. We have the shade in banana, I think, is it choco? That's the shade they sent to me too, the light and the dark one. I think they have 3 shades also. If you want to know more about their products, you can go down to their Instagram page. I'm going to be leaving the description down below. Okay, so for the pressed powder in the shade LO32 from the Lee Asian White Is also a very warm shade because I told you she has a cool shade, it's cool tone. Sorry, her skin tone is cool, so I'm looking for something to just balance in between the shades, and so that the face will not be looking too white and all of that. But I know I ended up looking, her skin ended up, because of the shade of powder I used, her skin ended up looking too warm at the end of the video. But don't worry, I'm just reviewing a product for you guys. So the pressed powder in this is in the shade L32. The powder is a warm shade. I'll just apply that all over her face before doing the baking of the face.
Oh, I know you feel me, yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Huh. Girl, I know you feel me, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, true, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it when we get.
So before the baking, I'll spray my setting spray a little bit for it to sit and for it to stay on properly. And that's why my makeup lasts longer. So hydration is key, guys. I did the baking of the face with the same setting powder in the shade banana. That's from the Lee Asian White setting powder in the shade banana.
We get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out sushi sweet and keep me rolling, but if we get the out, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in the figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rackets too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in some picture boat. They look bro, hit this stick ass like getting low. I spent time on the rats on the Lambo and didn't even know how to make them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with me. Follow behind in the years. Anyway, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner. The promise to God to theory. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with lines and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. They my last and my last, I know I can up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rulers, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rats, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Picking hit after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I bought everybody. Guns and choppers and infants for everyone. Take the roof off the collar up for the sun. I'm gonna see his pop by 5,000 months. Got this bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga gon' rock on my collars, we stacking up guala and guala. I'm trying to get it mega book. See them drip, little nigga, best watch your step. This top shelf, got 40 designer belt. OPF, look like the new BMW. Think I'm dumb, got clothes in my right or left. And you can't go the car, ain't no key in there. Just put us in they pockets, get out of there. They gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat it like a tire, I keep a spell. On the stuff because I'm worried. Check the tracks, I'm counting more fake. Sky scrollers, really in a prison. Time is 50, trying Richard Mello. I'ma put the game into his empty. Look, cause I spit that flavor to the empty. I am not a killer, but don't tell me. I'm spending rate 5,000 to a 50. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with lines and I'm gonna bust. He can't.
This is the final look. And so if you enjoyed this type of videos, please leave a comment down below and like this video. Thank you guys for always being there. Comment down below, like my videos, guys. I think you guys are forgetting. I'll talk to somebody to help me talk to you guys. And also, yeah, before I forget, this turban I tied on her, I'm going to be uploading that on Thursday. So if you guys want to watch the turban tutorials, it's just as Jessie scarf, a normal Jessie scarf. I'm going to be leaving the link down below. Thank you guys for always sticking around. Thank you for being there for me. Thank you so much. I love you guys so much. I'll see you on my next one. Bye. Going